guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Edith Nwogu and you are on Igbo Online College. Welcome. No na channel line. Alright, today I'm going to be showing you some kitchen utensils and telling you what they are called. Alright, some things we have in our kitchen and what they are called. Okay, let's delve right into it. I have this. This is called ngajiofe. Ngajiofe. There is the wooden one called eku. That is the one we use traditionally. That is eku, the wooden one. But this is ngajiofe. Use it to scoop your soup. All right. We have this. This is ngaji. You can just say ngaji or obele ngaji. Ngaji. Spoon, ngaji. This is ndole, fork. Ndole. This is mma. Now, contextually, you can just say mma and somebody understands it to be this. But when you want to differentiate it from machete, you say mma ehu. This is mma ehu, mma ehu, mma ehu. Machete is obu adana, or you say obejili, but not obejili, obu adana. This one is mma ehu. Then we have obu adana. Then we have your scissors, mpa. It is called mpa. Mpa. Scissors. All right. I have to get this to show you so that I don't have to carry the bigger mortar and pestle. So this is mortar and pestle. This is odo. Some people say odo. Odo. This is ikwe. The smaller one. Now the wooden mortar and pestle, they have the big one, they have the small one that you just use to pound your pepper and all those small things. Now the small one is called okwa. Okwa. The big one is ikwe. The big one is ikwe, the one they use to pound apple fufu or yam fufu. All right. Then this one is odo, whichever one, they are the same thing. Odo and odo. It is just dialectal differences. Okay. We go ahead. This is iko. Iko. Wetalum iko, get me a cup. Wetalum iko, get me a cup. This is efele. Efele. These are both called efele. But if you want to differentiate between these two things, this one is efelofe. Efelofe, soup plates. This one is efele nni or efele saba. Efele saba. Efelofe or efele okukolo. Okukolo is deep. Efelofe or efele okukolo or efele milemi. This one is efele nni or efele saba. Efele ofe, efele okukolo or efele efele ofe, efele okukolo. Then efele saba saba or efele nni. We have this. This is bowl. Bowl is efele aka, efele eji akwa aka. That is what we call it. Otem efele eji akwa aka, because we use it to wash hand. Otem efele eji akwa aka. So you can say otem efele eji akwa aka. In fact, some people say bath. If you say bath, that is for the bigger one, the big one, the big bowl. You say bath. Every Igbo person understands what you said. Alright? So we don't have to go to antiquity to call it what they call it then, because we are going through metamorphosis. You know, our language is growing, adapting, you know, engrafting things. So we don't have to be on a spot. We don't have to be stagnant. We move. All right, let's continue. This is called nyo. This is sieve. Sieve. By the way, this color is edo. Nyo na-acha edo. Nyo na-acha edo. That's not beautiful. Okwanyo amaka. Yeah. You say nyo. Now, this is sieve. We have basket. Basket is nkata. Say it. Nkata. Nkata. Nyo. Nkata. Nyo. Nkata. Nyo. Nkata. So when you have the basket, you say nkata. When you have the sieve, you say nyo. All right? You get it? Get it. Okay. Then we have the pot. It is ite. Pot. Ite. Porto. Ite. Ite. Pots. Ite of all forms is called pots. Pots. The only, if you want to differentiate, you just say obeli ite, that is small pot. Nnukwu ite. Ite nke ejete ebe, medium pots. You don't have to, when it is big pot, it becomes no, it is pots. Did I forget to tell you that the wooden bowl is oko? Wooden bowl, the one we used, traditional bowl, Igbo bowl, is oko. Now, kettle, because traditionally we didn't have kettle. We do not have a particular name for kettle. So if you say kettle, every Igbo man, woman, educated, uneducated, understands you. So we don't borrow. Yes, we don't borrow. We don't claim them. Nah, kettle. No. So kettle, you can say kettle. Yes, you can say kettle. Yeah. Every Igbo person understands you, but pot is ite. Stove is stove. We call it stove because we don't borrow. Yeah. Yes, but the tripod stand, the traditional tripod stand we used in cooking, some people still use it though, is called osite or oshite, depending on the dialects. Osite or oshite, that is the tripod stand, the traditional tripod stand. We use it, we put firewood underneath. It is called osite or oshite. Did you get that? Oshite, oshite. But if it is the modern cookers that we have, like your gas cooker, your kerosene stove, we call it stove. Gas cooker, do you know what we call it here? Gas. On a shina gas. On a sina gas. Gas. That is what we call it actually here in Nigeria. By Igbo people, we call it gas. In a gas, in a shina gas. Yes, so when you say that, we understand you clearly. Of course, the purpose of language, is it not for communication and understanding? So when you say it, we understand you and we move. Funnel is called Obanaga. Funnel. Obanaga. Funnel. Obanaga. Obanaga. Funnel is Obanaga. Yeah, that is it. When we have bucket, we call it, we either call it bucket or we say pail. Name pail. So you can suit yourself by calling it bucket or pail. Anyone you feel like you say, you call it, we are here. So did you enjoy the video? If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. Kemesia.